The RedLook Workshop is a hands-on experience designed to bring SENSIA's methane detection technology closer to industry professionals. The event begins in a classroom environment where SENSIA experts guide participants through the technology, its capabilities, and real-world applications. Through live demonstrations, practical sessions, and technical discussions, attendees gain a clear understanding of how RedLook works and what sets it apart in the market. As the workshop progresses, the experience becomes fully hands-on. Participants interact directly with the technology, test it themselves, and see how RedLook performs in scenarios that closely reflect their own working environments. This approach allows professionals to move beyond theory and gain practical insight they can apply. Discover RedLook, experience innovation. Shape a more sustainable future with SENSIA.